And nowadays, we talk a lot about global registration, and global registration use a token. If you realize, there is that core command, and part of that core command has a token. Eventually, when you go to your Satellite Web UI and you create the global registration, you can set the token lifetime to be unlimited or not. You can specify some days. But the question is, Wally, whenever I set to unlimited the token lifetime, how can I manage those tokens? How can I check, or how can I revoke them? Because eventually this can be like a breach, and I don't know, I don't remember, and I would like to revoke all of them eventually, or maybe update this token. So is there a way to do that? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you in this video how to achieve this. So let's cut to the video. Here we have this satellite, and we are using the 617. I believe the font size is good. We have 3 different nodes over here. And let's suppose that I would like to create a global registration. So I have another video here explaining all the steps, all the information about global registration, but let's do this easily and quick. I'm gonna keep insecure or pick insecure. I'm gonna use this standard activation key. I will skip the insights now just to speed up the process. Let's ignore and force, and this is the one. Like I have this unlimited, and by this unlimited, whenever I hit generate, if we take a look here at the bottom, we have some commands or some entries. Also, we have the URL, but this piece over here, this is a token, and this is the token that we are talking about. How can I manage it or see or delete this token? Because eventually I don't trust this token anymore. Maybe someone else is using this token for bad stuff. I would like to get rid of this. I would like to clean up this token. First, let's see this working. So I'm going to copy this command. This is the client. I'm going to paste. And whenever I run this command, what this is going to do is I have this core command, and I'm redirecting this to bash, which means I'm hitting satellite in this path, I'm passing some parameters, and I'm receiving some information. And we can see that this seems to be working because this machine is getting re-registered. Like I see the unregistration, and then I see the registration back. I can see some repositories. Everything seems okay. Let me do this. Let me, instead of bash, let's use the less as a redirect. And yes, I can see some information, which means that core command / that token is working because I'm able to get this information. Okay, let me remove the pipe less. And again, I can see the whole like bash script, the one that is able to register my machine properly. Amazing. How can I get rid of this token? Let's click on the user. You can see my screen, my account. Here you can see registration tokens. At this moment, you are not able to see or manage tokens individually, but one thing that you can do is, assuming that you have one or multiple tokens, you can definitely revoke all of them just by clicking on this button. By invalidating your JSON Web Token, JWTs, you will no longer be able to register hosts using your existing JWTs or tokens. So let's give it a shot. Invalidate. Are you sure? Yes, I am. So let's confirm. Successfully invalidated registration tokens. Now let's rerun the same command. Like I don't have the bash, and I will keep this one here just for the sake of example and learning. Whenever I hit enter, check this out. Unauthorized. And why unauthorized? Because this token over here got revoked. So this token is revoked, and my registration is not going to work anymore, even if I put pipe bash here, because there is no way. Okay, how can I fix this? Definitely you can come back, register hosts. I can create this global registration. Let's suppose that will be insecure. My activation key will be this. I'm gonna stop this for now. Again, unlimited. Ignore errors, force, generate. Two things here. Let me copy this. I'm gonna comment this line, paste. I can definitely remove this one just to see if the token is valid now. And look at that. I can see the information, which means if I run this one passing pipe bash, definitely the registration is going to work. Or if you like to go beyond, let's suppose that you have already your script and you have a lot of automation and you say, man, I just would like to update my token because I have different cores to different activation keys and different scenarios, different environments. Now I have to recreate all of them once again. Nope, this is the bonus time. So one thing that you can do is, let me show you. This is the one that is working. We know that. This is the one that is not working. We also know that. So all the flags that you do have, they will be here as part of the URL or call, but the one failing is this one, okay? So why not, bear with me, why not, I can do this. Now I can just remove my token and I removed this one because this one is the one failing. And now I have my new token. In other words, if I set a pipe bash here now, I'm still having my original line, my original core command or global registration. And what I'm doing is just updating the token. And this is totally valid. You can definitely do this. Keep your automation. You're just managing the token that will allow your content host to access your satellite server. All right? And that's all. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Feel free to join us in our Discord channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.